So you want to be in an area with excellent schools and conveniently located to shops and restaurants? Well, this community right here, Anniston Chase in Fort Mill by Meritage Homes, is exactly what you're looking for. This is a smaller community in Fort Mill full of bungalow style homes that has a very attractive price point for the area and what you're getting. Now, Fort Mill is part of York County, South Carolina, and York County, South Carolina offers some of the best schools, public schools in the country. So you'll be able to take advantage of that. And I said it's conveniently located. You have Kingsley and Fort Mill, downtown Fort Mill, as well as Highway 77, not too far away. Kingsley is an awesome area. You have different shops, restaurants, you have an aquatic center, and not to forget Ann Springs Greenway, which is a fun family event for you to enjoy the outdoors and nature. But let's go inside and look at a home so you can see what Meritage has to offer right here in Fort Mill. Now, this is one of their communities, their single family community. They also have an Ash Downs community, which will be full of townhouses. But let's go inside and take a look. Now we're heading into the Clarkson floor plan. This floor plan is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath with a 2-car garage and just over 2,100 square feet. Pricing in this community throughout the floor plans range anywhere between $435 and $507. That is presently right now at the end of September of 2022. When you come in, you have this open living area, perfect for entertaining, and you see all just the light it brings in. Now, this is a Meritage community, so Meritage Homes offers some of the most energy efficient homes in the area. They use a spray foam, which is no other builder in the Charlotte area uses a spray foam. And they also provide an energy efficiency that is second to none, as well as an air filtration system. I don't know about you all, I suffer from allergies. One of my daughters suffers from allergies pretty severe. So when thinking about buying a home, we personally bought a Meritage home because of our allergies, because of the air filtration system, which comes standard in Meritage homes. You have a decent outdoor space, but again, just look at how open this downstairs is. In this community, you have the deluxe kitchen package, the built-in oven and microwave. We head upstairs, you have a loft area, as well as 3 bedrooms. This is a shot of the spray foam. You know how typically your attic is a lot hotter or a lot colder than the rest of the home? With the spray foam, everything is consistent. You don't have to worry about losing heat or losing cold air. Everything's consistent. Nice size laundry room. Now let's go inside bedroom number 1, which does have a Jack and Jill bathroom. Heading into bedroom number 2 before we check out the bathroom. Now let's go and look at the owner's suite. This is absolutely massive. Just take a look at this owner's suite. Here we head into the ensuite bathroom. So if you're interested in this home or just moving to the greater Charlotte area, or anywhere in the Carolinas, please reach out to my team and I. We are here to help. I have team members throughout North and South Carolina. I personally am in the greater Charlotte area, and we look forward to hearing from you. Remember, when you go talk to these new home representatives, yes, they are pleasant, they are nice, but you need somebody looking out for you. Those representatives represent the builder. It is free of charge for you to have an advocate, an agent work for you to make sure your interests are being looked out for. The number's on the screen. I am Sir Ashley, and I look forward to hearing from you. Talk soon.